After an intense brainstorming by various delegates at a 3-day workshop organized by the National Counter-Terrorism Center, Office of the National Security Advisor in collaboration with International Alert Nigeria on the policy planning and strategy development on the national approach to disarmament, demobilization, reintegration and preventing and countering violent extremism, stakeholders advocated effective collaboration by government at all levels to counter incidents of violent extremism.
Recognizing that the field of DDR and PCV are complementary, and so have we gotten to the point now where we can review the successes and also identify ways forward on this in a way that we build synergy and see that the relationship between federal, state level and community level stakeholders is well synergized and well coordinated.
Such a national framework must be community focused and must be such that it can be localized.
The participants said that the adoption of the Borno model of non-kinetic approach will go a long way tackling insurgency and humanitarian crisis occasioned by violent crimes.
We are carefully already looking into the document, and we look forward to the framework that is going to emerge consequent upon the conclusion of this workshop.
The situation this will brought, it will emphasize that when you train someone and give him skill acquisitions, that person will be relevant to his family, to the society.
It is hoped that proper implementation of the policies adopted at this workshop by International Alert Nigeria and Office of the National Security Advisor will halt violent extremism in various regions of the country. John Taylor, ITV News.